You're about to see helicopters the U.S. government never wanted the world to know about. Some were denied, some were buried, and one only came to light because it crashed during the most dangerous mission of the 21st century. These aren't normal helicopters. They're stealth machines, hybrid speed test platforms, and autonomous warbirds built for conflicts the world hasn't faced yet. This is the top 7 secret U.S. military helicopters that could change modern warfare. And number 1 is something you were never supposed to see. Number 1. The Stealth Black Hawk. For decades, military aviation circles whispered about a silent Black Hawk, a helicopter that didn't show up on radar and barely made a sound. The Pentagon officially denied everything until 2011. During the raid on Osama bin Laden's compound, a mysterious aircraft crashed. What was left behind stunned experts around the world. The exposed tail section showed radar-absorbing materials, angled, stealth-shaped surfaces, and a design never seen on any standard Black Hawk. The U.S. still refuses to acknowledge the program, but aviation analysts believe the crash revealed only the old version, and that newer, even quieter stealth helicopters may already be flying secret missions in places we'll never know about. If this is what leaked by accident, imagine what hasn't leaked at all. Number 2. RAH-66 Comanche. The Comanche was built to be the most advanced stealth helicopter ever made. It was tiny, smooth, and nearly invisible. Its radar signature? Smaller than a bird. Weapons? Hidden inside the body. So why did a $7 billion program get canceled? Because the battlefield changed. Drones replaced manned scouts. Recon went unmanned. And the Comanche, despite being brilliant, no longer fit the Army's new strategy. But its technology didn't die. Its stealth shaping, sensors, and avionics were quietly absorbed into classified aircraft we aren't allowed to see. Number 3. Sikorsky Skyraider 97 Raider. The Sikorsky Skyraider doesn't fly like a helicopter. It flies like a fighter jet with rotors. Its design is radical. 2 stacked, rigid rotors, a rear propeller, a fuselage built for speed and maneuverability. The result? A helicopter that can fly almost twice as fast as traditional attack choppers, brake hard at extreme angles, and turn so violently that pilots train specifically to handle its G-forces. The Raider carries machine guns, advanced sensors, and precision weapons, but its real advantage is how it moves, low, fast, and unpredictable. If the S-97 enters full service, close combat aviation will look completely different. Helicopters won't just hover and attack, they'll sprint, dart, and strike like airborne predators. Number 4. Raider X. Raider X was designed for the Army's Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft program, a helicopter built for speed, stealth, and survivability. It featured high-speed flight, low-visibility airframe shaping, advanced sensors and targeting, silent reconnaissance capabilities. Simulations suggested that whichever military fielded this tech first would gain a huge strategic advantage. Raider X wasn't just a scout. It was a hunter. So why cancel it? Because the Army realized the future is unmanned. Instead of risking pilots on high-risk recon missions, autonomous aircraft can carry out the same job with no crew on board. Raider X was a masterpiece, just a masterpiece built in the wrong era. Number 5. Future Vertical Lift. This isn't a helicopter. This is a complete transformation of military aviation. Future Vertical Lift, or FVL, is the Pentagon's plan to replace nearly every helicopter in the U.S. fleet with next-generation aircraft. The star of the program is the V-280 Valor, a tilt-rotor aircraft that takes off like a helicopter, then tilts its massive rotors forward to fly like a jet. It reaches nearly 350 miles per hour,
has incredibly range and can insert troops halfway across a country on a single tank of fuel. The V-280 is the leading candidate to replace the legendary Black Hawk, meaning the Army could soon be flying something faster, quieter, and far more capable. This isn't an upgrade. It's a revolution, the biggest shift in helicopter design since Vietnam. Number 6. Heavy stealth transport helicopters. Stealth helicopters are already hard to build, but heavy-lift stealth helicopters nearly impossible. And yet, rumors have persisted for years about stealth-modified heavy transports, possibly even a stealth-enhanced Chinook variant developed for covert special operations. Imagine a massive helicopter that can carry soldiers or heavy equipment across enemy lines without being heard or detected. A silent giant slipping deep into hostile airspace. While the program remains unconfirmed, multiple analysts believe such aircraft may exist in prototype or limited-use form. If true, this technology would transform special operations, enabling missions that were previously unthinkable. Large-scale covert insertions could suddenly happen without warning. Number 7. Autonomous, pilotless Blackhawks. The future of rotorcraft doesn't have pilots. The U.S. military has already flown a fully autonomous Black Hawk under DARPA's Alias program. No pilot, no crew, just algorithms and sensors. It took off, avoided obstacles, completed missions, and landed entirely on its own. We're talking robotic medical evacuations, self-flying supply aircraft, autonomous attack platforms, drone-carrying rotorcraft, and unmanned stealth scouts. This isn't coming, it's here. Aviation is crossing into the age of machine independence. Some of these aircraft were built, some were canceled, some live in the shadows, but they all point to one truth. The next major conflict won't be defined by tanks and rifles, but by speed, stealth, autonomy, and machines that barely make a sound. And the most shocking part? The most advanced helicopter the U.S. has ever built is almost certainly still classified. We've only seen the beginning. If you want more deep dives into the world's most secret military technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.